I had it on smoke setting. It did get up during the smoke setting around 232, then it dropped down. So I did switch it over to 325. So right now the actual temp's reading at 266, 67. So let's see, we'll get there. It took about less than 5 minutes to get past 325. Right now the actual temp is reading 335, so we'll see how high it gets, and then when it drops back down, if it gets close to that 325 range. That's it right there. It's been 5 minutes, so tip's still at 325. Actual temp's reading at 343. What it looks like inside. Tell you what though, I'm digging it. If you know me, watching my channel, you know I like the tabletop. That's what it is so far. And we're about 20 minutes in on this burn off right here. I don't know if you can tell. See the flame, I can see it from here. I don't know if it's catching it on the camera. But let's see. There it is. Can y'all see it? Yep. And then the pellets. There it is. Alright. Looking good. It's been 45 minutes. And if that's a required time to do a burn off on this tabletop pellet smoker, that's recommended in the handbook. So I set it on 325, and the actual temp's reading at 340. So it's been going from 340 to 343. So setting it at that 325 temp, I've had it go up about 15 to 17 degrees. You know, it's stayed around roughly up there. And whenever I put it on smoke to get the initial burn started, it went up to, what was it, 232. It did drop down, but so far that's pretty much it for this burn. There's the pellet. You can see that the auger is working. That's leaving an indentation right there. Which, and then I'll move the pellets down there and make sure that they keep getting fed by the auger. That's it. And if you can see the flame, yeah, it's hot in there. It's hot. But that's pretty much it for this burn off. And then the next video, you'll see me, I'll do a first cook on it. We'll see how it turns out. Well, thank you for stopping by. To the next one, folks. Smoke on, everyone.